Are you an absolute beginner to Capcut Desktop and don't know where to start? I got you covered. In this video I'm going to be showing you the basics of Capcut in just under 5 minutes. I'm going to be going over how to download Capcut, how to create a project, how to add clips, some basic transitions, and add a clean intro and outro. Also, this video is a part of my beginner series where I teach you all of the things that you need to get started with Capcut. So stay tuned. Let's waste no more time and get right into editing. First, if you didn't already download Capcut, you can go onto the official Capcut website and download it from there. I'm gonna be leaving the link in my video description. Okay, so I have Capcut fired up. To create a project, simply click Create a Project on the top left. Now we're in the editing UI. In the top left, you can import your videos. Simply click on it and select the videos that you're going to use. To add the clips to your track, you can simply click on the plus or drag them. Okay, now I have all of my clips in the timeline. As you can see, my first clip is over 30 seconds, which is way too long for what I want to make. So I'm gonna take the edge of the clip, left click on it, and drag it smaller. I'm going to do the same with all of the other clips. Now that we have the videos cut, we can create a name for our project. Click on the modify button on the right. Make a project name. The bottom settings aren't really important for beginners, so you can just keep them and hit save. Great, now we can add some transitions. In the top left, you can see the transition tab. Simply click on it and choose a transition that you like. I'm going to use black fade for my clips. Click on the plus to add it, and there you go. You have a transition. You can add as many transitions as you want. I'm going to do the same for my other two clips. As you can see, the timeline is pretty small. So what we can do to fix that is go to the right and swipe the lens to the right to extend our timeline. To add an intro, we have to select the first clip, go to the top right tab, click on animation, and select an intro. I'm gonna use fade in, and here you can choose the duration. I'm going to make it 1 second. Now to add an outro, you have to click on the last clip, go to animation, but this time you hit out. And yeah, now again you can choose whatever you like. I'm going to use fade out, and I'll also make it 1 second. Yeah, and now you have a really nice edited video with transitions and an intro. To recap, import your clips, add them to the timeline, hit on transitions and choose a transition, and add an intro and outro by clicking on the first clip, choosing an animation, then clicking on the last clip, and again choosing an animation. That's it, you're all set. If you want to learn more about Capcut, for example how to add sounds, how to add text, use some effects, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you next video.